Chef Bug Jr. here, and today we're cooking up some chocolate pupusas.
Oh, those look fantastico.
Yup, they are.
Pupusas!
First thing, we're going to pour some corn flour into a bowl. Now we got to season up our flour. Put lots of cinnamon in, and don't be shy. Now we're going to add some brown sugar.
How much you got there? About a tablespoon? Two tablespoons?
About a tablespoon you should put in. Making it nice and sweet. Now we're going to mix it super well. We're going to add a little bit of warm water. Not too much, because we can always add a little more if we need it. Now we'll add a little bit more water. And if you put too much water, that's okay. We'll just add some more flour.
Alrighty, so you're going to dry it up a little bit with more flour, huh?
A little more flour will never hurt. We're going to mash it up into a big ball.
Alrighty, so you're cleaning your bowl with your ball, huh?
Youpity-doo.
Getting up all the little excess pieces. Looks like you got a good dough consistency there.
Yep. Since we're making 2 pupusas, we're going to make 2 balls.
Alrighty, so you want 2 even-sized balls?
Yep.
2 pupusas, is that going to be enough? Because there's 3 of us. Who's the odd man out? Dun dun dun.
Now we're going to flatten it out.
Alrighty, so you're trying to spread it out and make it thin?
Yep. But just don't let it crack.
Yeah. Oh, well, if it gets too dry, you can just add a little bit more water to it.
Well, yeah. Once you get it flattened out, we'll spread some peanut butter on it.
Alrighty, is that chunky peanut butter?
Yes.
Good. I like it chunky. Plus the nuts are going to add a nice texture.
Yeah, they do. Now we're going to add our filling in. You can use marshmallows, but in this video we're just going to use chocolate and butterscotch chips.
And you're not going to put too many, are you?
Yeah.
A good amount, but we don't want to overstuff them. I mean, last time we made them, I overstuffed them and wasn't pretty.
Yeah.
Hold on, you're agreeing that they weren't pretty?
Yeah, I'm agreeing.
Yeah.
Sadly. Now go ahead and close it up into a ball. Make like an egg shape with your chips on the inside. Now roll it up and press it out into a disc.
Good disc size. So how big is this going to be? What if it leaks out a little bit? I see it's cracking right there.
It doesn't really matter too much. Like, just try and fill it in.
Oh, you're just squeezing it back together, huh?
Yep.
Alrighty. My mouth's starting to water. Alrighty, so you got one down?
Now this ball's a little dry, so we're going to weten it up a little bit.
Okay, so this is the number 2 one, huh?
Yep.
You just put a little water on your fingers and ball it up again?
Yep.
Oh, you're going to go whole hog and put some more water in there, huh?
We'll just add a little more water in there just in case we need it. Let's get it all soaked up. Spread it out into a perfect disc.
Oh, that one looks perfecto.
Time to do the peanut butter again. Crunchy all the way, baby. Ding!
Heavy on the chips this time, in case I get a bite. Looking good.
Yeah, this one we're going to go pretty heavy on the chips. We're going to ball it up like an egg.
You look like you got a pretty good system there. It's a little filled up, huh?
Yeah. You don't have too much stuff in this one.
Alright, it looks like you took care of that problem.
Yep.
Don't eat all that stuffing, dude.
Yeah. Now we just pack it up. Roll it in that egg shape again. Now to smash the pupusas. Now we've got 2 ready. Let's go get our skillet heated up. It's stove time.
So what are you going to put your stove on?
Well, let's just put it on like a medium low.
Alrighty, what kind of oil are you going to use?
Classic coconut oil. Just maybe a spoonful is good. You don't need a lot of oil for pupusas. Pupusas.
So we're going to give this a minute to heat up?
Yep. Now once your pupusas are good and ready and your stove's nice and hot, just carefully place the pupusas in the pan and get them all oily.
Alrighty, and how long are they going to cook?
For about 2 minutes on each side.
Alrighty, well let's go do some push-ups while they cook.
Never use a stove without parental supervision. Because remember kids, only you can prevent wildfires. Pupusa. One time I used the stove without my parents' permission and they took away my tablet. Wow. Alrighty, it's been about 2 minutes. And now time to do the good old flip.
Alrighty, looks like you're an expert. Boom, those look pretty good. Got a nice little bit of color on there.
Remember, cook them near the middle so it's right under the fire. About 2 minutes more, then we get to enjoy them. Alright, it's been 2 minutes, so time to get them off the skillet.
Alrighty, you're turning it off? Good job.
Yep. Now we're going to slice up some bling. Now we're going to use a strawberry for some garnish. So just dig out the leafy greens, or you could just cut it off. Just like
That looks like a pretty sharp knife, Chef Buck Jr.
it is. Also never use a knife without parental supervision. One time I cut my finger off and my parents took away my tablet for a month. Wham! Now for a creamy sauce, we're going to use Greek yogurt and maple syrup. About 2 big hoop-de-hoos.
That's a lot of Greek yogurt.
Yeah, well, it's a good sauce.
Alrighty, I think that's a health code violation.
Really? You did it. We're going to add a little bit of maple syrup, but we could always add more. Stir it up real well. And that's all there is to our cream sauce. Now we're just going to place the pupusas on the plate. Top it with some of our creme.
So that's going to be like a dessert dressing.
Now we add the strawberries, the pizzazz.
Oh, that looks really pretty. Alrighty, you think we should get Camera Girl to do a taste test?
Yup.
Go ahead and give it a taste test, Camera Girl. These are super easy to make.
Oh, how is it?
Looks fantastic. Alright. You can go ahead and dig in since you cooked it.
Digging in.
You can just pick it up and eat it.
Yeah, you
I'll
could
tell
just
you what.
eat it like a cookie.
You cook like a professional, but you eat like an amateur.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, I'm going to have to show you guys how to eat.
All right, show us.
Alright, first things first, we got to get rid of this fork.
Oh.
You just got to pick it up and put as much in your mouth as you can.
Yeah.
All right, other chef, show him how it's done.
This is so good. There you go. And they're so easy to make. And you can't taste the corn and the corn flour at all because we put cinnamon and sugar in there. And it's got all that chocolate and peanut butter. That's all you taste.
Yup.
Thanks
for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to this video. And if you want to see more recipes by Chef Bud Jr., go to myfoodchannel.com. Bye!